Good afternoon, Farmer Joe here. I'm just outside Aldi. I'm going to go in and buy a chicken. I'm buying mixed vegetables, frozen vegetables. I use them now for Skipper and Tiny. I use them for myself. Frozen vegetables are very good. It's a great way to manage vegetables because vegetables can go off in this heat. So that's why I'm buying a bit of frozen veg. And I'm buying a bit of steak mince. I'm buying cashew nuts. I'm buying walnuts. Might buy a few blueberries. I'm buying a bit of olive oil and I'm buying a bit of coconut oil. So listen, I'm going into Aldi, small shop. My headspace is very good going in here. I'm only buying single one ingredient food. I've no intention of going. When I go in the door there, I know for a fact 80% of the food around me is all unhealthy. Farmer Joe won't be picking it up. That's why I'm able to stay in the Farmer Joe's diet. My diet is a single one ingredient food. If you want to stay healthy in yourself, you want to have a healthy gut, shop like Farmer Joe. Take care. Bye bye now. So this is me, Farmer Joe. I'm going into Aldi here. As I said in the car, I'm going in here with the right mindset to buy my diet, single one ingredient food. So I need blueberries and I see blueberries here, so I'm going to get 2 packets of these blueberries. I think they're $1.29 each, so I'm going to get 2 packets of them. And then I need as well cherry tomatoes. I use cherry tomatoes in my omelettes, I use them in my salads, so I'll buy a packet of cherry tomatoes. This is only a small shop, just to add to the few bits and pieces I got there during the week. I'm buying steak mince here. I make lovely dog food for the 2 boys, Skipper and Tiny. I use mixed vegetables. I use brown rice. I want a packet of cashew nuts. I'm going to get a packet of walnuts. And I'm going to get a packet of mixed seeds as well. And I'm going to get milled cheese seed. That's the milled cheese seed now that I use in the colon cleanse. And I'm going to use this 4 seed mix as well. I use them in yogurt, so I'm going to buy them also. So I'm going to buy chicken wings. I'm going to buy these chicken wings. And I'm going to buy a chicken. I'm going to buy a 2.2 kilo chicken. So I'll buy one of these chickens as well. I'll make a kebab or I'll make chicken salad. I'll put chicken in my almonds. I'm going to buy extra virgin olive oil. And I'm going to buy this mixed veg as well. But it's great to control veg. The hot weather is very hard to manage your vegetables. So I put this in Skipper and Tiny's food. Here's all my food laid out going onto the till here. As you see, I'll just go through it there. It's all, and there's what it is there. Cost me $29.80 or something. But look, it's all single one ingredient food. That's the way Farmer Joe shops. I came in with the same headset the way I'm going out. I bought all single one ingredient food. This is why I'm able to eat healthy and I have myself in the best shape I can at 60 years old. All the best.